Alright, show me how you jump high. Wow.
Jump.
And I can run on the pool.
Okay, go ahead.
Richie, we probably can get those beetle bags now.
There you go.
What'd you say? I scooped like 4 or 5 out of here.
Hello, Anna Sophia. Are you watching Aurora jump and run in the pool?
Mom, I can jump on 1 foot in the pool.
On 1 foot even?
Yeah.
Impressive.
And backwards.
And backwards, no less. Hello, Aunt Becky.
And Becky, say hi.
Hello. In our first pool.
Prospect
Pool
Avenue.
Club. High five.
High five, Aurora.
High five. Prospect Pool Club.